What's your fave mushy at the moment?
Ooh, my favourite, there's two, Reishi and Chaga.
I love those too, actually. I'm a big fan of both of those. Okay, so why do you love them? Why do you love Chaga?
Oh, I love Chaga. The reason I love them is because they're super high in antioxidants. And you know how antioxidants are also can really help with inflammation within the body.
Naturopaths use it a lot for inflammation.
Yeah, it helps to decrease that inflammation in the body, which can actually, when it comes to gut health, which I love, it can actually contribute, the inflammation can contribute to irritable bowel syndrome. So it can really help with that. They also contain vitamin D, iron, zinc, calcium, magnesium, and they're a really natural sort of plant solution to help you ward off any infection or illnesses.
And all of those nutrients, so important for women particularly. Okay,
Why do you love Reishi?
Reishi definitely also helps with gut health, so it's a really good anti-inflammatory for the gut, and in particular it's got this compound which is called beta-glucans, and it helps to encourage your beneficial bacteria in, your beautiful microbiome. So it's the kind of bacteria that helps to create a really strong and diverse microbiota in your gut. Actually, you've got microbiota everywhere, haven't you? In all different systems. It's also a really fantastic adaptogen. So for anyone who suffers from fatigue or low energy, stress, immune problems, it can really help you with your energy and vitality. Get
And
you
that's
feeling.
what we need, don't we? We need that boost.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're coming into winter now, so even more so.
Mushroom soup coming up.